Hello everybody, today we are checking out my plugin, or the BGHDDevelopment plugin, BungeeAnnounce. This plugin has been out ever since 2017, and it's a very popular plugin with we have a bunch of buyers for this one. It's a cheap plugin. You can buy it on MC Market for $2 currently. It was $1, but due to the fees on PayPal, we had to raise it to $2, or we wouldn't make any money off of it, sadly. So it's $2, it's BungeeAnnounce. It's for 1.8 through whatever version you say. It says 1.12, but it works all the way up to 1.13. 0.2 or whatever we're currently on. It's kind of like the BungeeAnnounce plugin. So, you know the way they type /announce and the thing that says announcement pops up, just like you see here in this picture here. It's just like that, and it's very easy to install. You just drop it in your plugins folder, give yourself the bungee cord permission, and it works just fine. So we're going to go over how to install it, how you can use it, and what happens when you downloaded it, etc. So you first want to download it, press keep, and drag it to your plugins folder. Now, when you drag it in, this isn't my plugins folder, but you want to drag it in the bungee cord plugins folder. So you're actually going to drag it into the bungee cord plugins folder. That's where you want to drag it. So we're going to keep it in there. Then you want to open up your config. If you have just the default bungee cord setup, then you're going to put the permission for it in your permissions inside the thing. For me, I already have it. Under owner, which is a group I created, it's called BungeeAnnounce. I put the permission here. If you are using a bungee cord permissions plugin, then you would enter the permission for players there. So, we're going to go ahead and start that up. And it's going to load up for us. I'm also going to start hub and server 2. Then I'm going to load up Minecraft so I can show you what it does. Now, if you don't have the permission, it's going to pop up with the bungee cord no permission message. And all of that I made in the configure file for the plugin, which is under your bungee cord plugins folder. You don't put it on your spigot folder. You can set this here. And I just set it to what the default one is, but you can set it to whatever you want. Then you have the no message error, the title prefix, and the actually fading time. So we give you the support for all of them. So while we start at Minecraft, I'm going to talk a little bit about when this plugin was created. It was created about 2 years ago. Almost 2 years ago, yes, about 2 years ago. And it was designed to mimic the Mineplex bungee cord announce plugin that they have on their server. Of course, it doesn't use any of their code, but it's mimicking their code, like their look. So the command is /announce. When you type it in, it's gonna say this if you didn't type anything. This is fixed in the latest version. I just haven't updated my version on my computer yet. So if you do /announce and type something, it's going to pop up saying hi. That's exactly what I said to do here. Now, I believe it does support colors as well. So if you do a different color code and then hey, there it is. Blah, 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 blah. So I'm going to go ahead and that update that fixes the error message will come out today it should have come out like 2 days ago when this video finally releases. Now, you may be wondering, can you see it on everybody's screen? Well, if I type this and quickly go back here, yes, it pops up on everyone's screen. Now, if I type /announce over here, it's going to say you do not have permission to execute this command. That's because the bungee cord plugin, you didn't give my character permissions to use the command. So, that is the easiest thing you can do. You can just drop it in and it works. You can change everything about the plugin in the configure file, and it works perfectly fine. So that's it for that. Sub to BGHD development. There you go. So it works easily. You can change the colors. Everything's configurable in the configure file. If there is any issues, just let us know, like that error with the error message in the chat. I'm going to go ahead and release an update this minute to fix that. So that will go out the minute this video goes out live as well. So that is it for this tutorial video today. Not much going on there, just easy drag and drop plugin if you get it on MC Market. The link is in the description to buy it and everything. If you have any suggestions for it, let us know. We can always add stuff to the plugin as well. For the next few videos, we're going to go over our bungee cord plugins because this has been a requested series to see how they work, because there's no really way to test them for people wanting to buy them. So I'm just going to do some videos overlaying the different types of bungee cord plugins we have. So, thank you so much for watching today's video. My name is Noodles, and hopefully you tune in for the next episode tomorrow of the plugin tutorial series. See you tomorrow.